Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Now, it seems like Grayscale is getting out of XRP for good. Now, before we start, I want to make clear to everyone that Grayscale had two XRP investments. One was its digital large cap fund, which basically included like XRP along with a lot of other funds, but it was still mainly tilted towards Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously. And two is the Grayscale XRP Trust. Now, a few days ago, or probably like a week or two ago after the SEC lawsuit, Grayscale said it was taking XRP out of its digital large cap fund. And that's probably because one of the problems with one of the exchanges delisting XRP. But people were like, well, they still bought 12 million XRP and they just have it in the XRP trust. Well, now we get to that issue. Grayscale Investments begins dissolution, which means they're going to dissolve or get rid of their XRP trust, citing Ripple SEC lawsuit. So Grayscale will be fully out of XRP very, very soon. From CoinDesk, cash proceeds from the trust liquidated XRP will be distributed to trust shareholders, Grayscale said. Now, I actually think the shareholders are going to get more than their investment because Grayscale did buy a bunch when XRP was at like 20-something cents because they bought when it actually dipped. So they did a bit of a shuffling swing trading, and now they're getting completely out. But I think their shareholders are actually going to benefit because they did buy at one of the lower points. They know what they're doing. So Grayscale Investments, the world's largest digital currency asset manager, announced it has begun dissolution of its Grayscale XRP trust fund following this US SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging XRP tokens as security under federal securities law. Now, before I go any further, I don't think this is a big deal for XRP because like 98% of Grayscale's investments was either in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And XRP represented something like 1/10 of 1% of their investments because they had more in LTC, ETC, and all those others in XRP. They only had a very, very small slice in XRP. So them getting rid of this is not really such a big deal. But it actually does lessen the amount of actual institutional involvement in XRP. And you can see, at least in the United States, institutions are not really investing in XRP anymore. They're probably switching to other cryptos. So cash proceeds from the trust liquidated XRP will be distributed to shareholders, Grayscale said, without providing estimates on the proceeds. Jan 8th SEC filings indicate that XRP Trust raised $19.2 million from 70 investors over its nearly 3-year run. It was not clear how much the fund was worth at liquidation. If it actually invested over the last 3 years, they're probably selling at a loss, but just the amount that they've actually bought and sold over the last couple of weeks, they probably sold at a gain. Grayscale blamed the move on the SEC's December 2020 suit against XRP's issuer, Ripple Labs, which that obviously everyone knows, which has banked $1.3 billion in token sales since 2013. So XRP has roughly made $1.3 billion in token sales since 2013. The lawsuit has created a hostile market environment for XRP. It is likely to be increasingly difficult for U.S. investors, including the trust, to convert XRP into U.S. dollars and therefore continue the trust operations, Grayscale said. I agree with that because if the U.S. exchanges are going out, and there's not much liquidity, you can't really do a large trust with XRP. Earlier in January, Grayscale removed XRP from its large cap crypto fund, which I already mentioned. So despite Grayscale buying 12 million, they're going to liquidate that very soon, or if they haven't already. And eventually, because they've removed XRP from their large cap crypto fund, and now they're liquidating their XRP trust, Grayscale will be pretty much completely out of XRP altogether because XRP is going to be harder to deal with for US investors. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.